Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing references and a workspace so design choices stay consistent. Open Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop, import mood images and fabric scans, and set the artboard to garment dimensions at 300 dpi in CMYK for print-ready color. Once done, create and name layers for sketching, pattern work, color fills, and trims, and lock the background layer to avoid accidental edits. This organization speeds iteration and keeps technical files clean for production or pattern export. You now translate concept into a precise pattern and visual mockup. Start with vector sketches using the pen or pencil tool. Adjust stroke pressure so lines mimic fabric falls. Next, trace your pattern pieces on their own layer and add seam allowances, notches, and grain lines for manufacturing clarity. Then apply color swatches, gradients, and texture overlays to simulate fabrics. This helps you evaluate drape and contrast. Make sure to save iterative versions so you can revert or compare design variants quickly. You finish by preparing deliverables and validating the file for production. Run a quick preflight, verify color profiles, image resolution, layer names, and any required bleed. This prevents costly errors later. Export pattern pieces as PDF or DXF for cutters, and save flat mockups and rendered views as high-resolution PNGs for presentation. Finally, compile a tech pack with measurements, fabric codes, trims, and construction notes. If files fail to export, relink missing assets and recheck color modes as a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.